Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I will be discussing with you a important part of chemistry, that is we always study chemistry. But what is the role or use of chemistry in our lives? So today we will be discussing about that. So let's start. So we will be starting from the topic which is chemistry and food, which basically means that how do we use chemistry in food. Okay, so food means plants, right? We obtain food from plants. But before this, I want to tell you that you may have heard the words named fertilizers, pesticides. These two words are very common in our daily lives, right? So today we will be discussing about these 2 points, that what are fertilizers, what are pesticides, and why do we use these two things in our daily life or in the food. So without wasting any time, we will be starting from the topic which is fertilizers. Basically, why do we use fertilizers? Okay, so as you know that we obtain food from where? Plants, right? So where do plants grow? They grow in the soil. So in the soil, what happens that naturally there are some elements present. Such as potassium, zinc, phosphorus, nitrogen, etc. So these type of elements are present in the soil where plants grow. Okay, now question is, do the elements disappear after some point of time? Answer is, can you think? Yes. Answer is yes. After some point of time, these elements will disappear from the soil. And if it will occur like this, that these elements would disappear from the soil, then what would happen? The crops or that thing would not grow nicely. Okay, so for this we use fertilizers. Different type of fertilizers are there, so we use fertilizers for this problem. Okay, and now we are left with next topic, which is pesticides. So we will not drag this topic too much. We will just see that how the name is given pesticides. Pesticides. And with that why do we use it. Okay, so we'll just be discussing about this. So as you know, in previous time I told you that there are some elements present. Okay, and for that they do not disappear, we use fertilizer. This problem is okay, but if to my crop any insect will be there, so how can I remove it? That is also the problem. So that insects are called what? They are called pest. Okay, so that insects are known as pest who destroy a plant. They are known as pest. Now how the name is given pesticides? So pest means that destroy, and at last we will use the word sides, that is pesticides. So like this, insecticides are there, then fungicide are there, herbicide are there. Herbicide is what? Herbicide, herb. Suppose I'm growing rice, you are growing rice, so if with that any grass will be there or anything else which is not useful to you, that is herbicide. Okay, so this was a small video of pesticides, fertilizers, why we use it in our daily life, because if we study chemistry we should also know that how it is useful in our daily life. So if you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Learning with Angel JNR.